I'm your friends, and this is Roblox Studio, and let's see how to create nice clouds for your game. Okay, I'm going to Explorer, to Workspace, and find Terrain. Clicking here, and let's find Clouds. These are our clouds properties here, and let's change them a little bit, because you see there are clouds, but they are a little bit like small. I want them to be bigger. Let's go to cover and slide the slider, do it like you want. Okay, density, find proper density for you, and I will change maybe the color. Let's make them a little bit more blue. Okay, something like that. I think it's good. Thank you, bye.